Wow, look at these views. We're loving this area. So we flew our drone to capture the beauty of Questa, New Mexico. We hope that you liked the short tour of Sierra Hermosa RV Park, the place that we've called home for over a month. We're loving northern New Mexico and hope that you enjoy this video. This is one reason that we love Questa, New Mexico. Look at that sky.
It is gorgeous out here now. It got a little bit warm today, but right now it is wonderful.
Yes, it is. Look at those mountains. Look at those clouds. Oh my goodness.
It's a good day in the neighborhood.
Yeah, we're loving it.